I love metalsmithing.
I learned everything I need to know about jewelry in JDMIS, and it has brought me through a great journey.
I love the design course here. I think everybody should take the design course and get into the industry.
JDMIS facilities quintupled from 600 square feet in 2007 to 3,000 square feet of specialized facilities in 2018.
JDMIS training has expanded. Industry and artisanal specializations with over 50 training programs.
JDMIS faculty has grown. 11 jewelry experts now share their knowledge with you.
JDMIS is state-of-the-art, using the latest in training and jewelry tools to help you succeed.
We go beyond the classroom. Join like-minded artists to visit the source of popular gems.
JDMIS brings the world to you with $400,000 worth of permanent jewelry exhibits and industry events to keep you current.
We can't wait to share with you our new courses and curricula for the coming years. All industry relevant, more accessible, creative and fun.